Fill in the gaps with the correct preposition from the list below. She learned German at the age of 27. The novel was written by James Joyce. I'll show you the picture of the city. We can only get to the town on foot. He reminds me of his old maths teacher. What are you talking about? By the end of next year, we will have made over £50,000. She always gets up early in the morning and goes to bed late at night. I went to work on Monday, but I didn't go on Saturday. You'll have to wait. He'll be with you in a minute. Subscribe to my channel and share the videos if you find its content useful.